How fashion brands can adopt sustainable materials. What if your next fashion collection didn't just look good, but helped heal the planet? With consumers demanding eco-conscious choices, adopting sustainable materials isn't just trendy, it's a business necessity for fashion brands ready to lead the future. The fashion industry is one of the world's most polluting sectors. From water-hungry cotton to petroleum-based synthetics, traditional materials leave a massive environmental footprint. But there's a smarter, greener way forward, starting with what you make your clothes from. Here's how fashion brands can adopt sustainable materials effectively. 1. Start with a materials audit. Assess your current fabric usage. Identify high-impact textiles and explore lower-impact alternatives like organic cotton, tencel, hemp, and bamboo, which require less water, land, and chemicals. 2. Explore next-gen materials. Innovative options like Pinatex, pineapple leather, Milo, mushroom leather, and recycled PT are gaining momentum. These offer a mix of durability, design flexibility, and environmental benefits. 3rd, partner with certified suppliers. Source materials from vendors with verified sustainability credentials. Look for GOTS, OEKOTEX, and fair trade certifications to ensure ethical and eco-conscious practices throughout the supply chain. 4. Prioritize recyclability and circularity. Use mono-material designs that are easier to recycle. Consider take-back programs and closed-loop systems to extend garment life and reduce waste. 5. Educate your team and customers. Embed sustainability in your brand DNA, from marketing to product labeling. Transparency builds trust, and informed consumers make greener choices. In the next era of fashion, materials won't just shape your garments, they'll shape your impact. Want more sustainable business strategies? Like, comment, and subscribe for weekly insights on ethical fashion and conscious innovation.